Welcome to Soul Haven. If you're new to meditation, the body scan is a wonderful way to begin. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind. It's about learning awareness. A body scan teaches you to notice tension and gently release it. This practice helps you connect to your body, calm your mind, and prepare for deep rest. Many people also use it before bed to fall asleep more easily. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting with support. Rest your hands softly and allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. With each breath, allow yourself to settle a little more deeply. Notice any areas of tension. You don't have to fix them, just observe. Your body is your home. This practice is about listening to it with kindness. A body scan is simply moving your attention gently through the body. As we do this, notice sensations: warmth, tightness, heaviness, or even nothing at all. Whatever you feel is okay. The goal is awareness, not control. Begin by bringing attention to the top of your head. Notice your scalp, your forehead, the space around your eyes. If you feel tension, soften with your breath. Now move to your jaw, unclench, let it relax. Bring awareness to your neck and shoulders. Feel them soften. Move down to your chest, your belly. Notice the rise and fall of your breath here. Let the belly be soft. Now, your arms, down to your hands and fingertips. Notice any tingling, warmth, or stillness. Bring awareness to your hips, your thighs, your knees. Breathe into these areas. Feel your calves, your ankles, feet, and toes. Your whole body is now included in this awareness from head to toe. Notice how your body feels now, more at ease, more open. The body scan helps reduce stress, release physical tension, and even improve sleep. It also builds your ability to be mindful in everyday life. Take one more deep breath in and release fully. Feel gratitude for your body, for carrying you through each day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm into the rest of your day or evening.